Hello, doodlers. Let's draw an elephant. A big round head. Your turn. A great big flappy ear. Another big ear. A long curly trunk. One eye. Two eyes. A little tusk. Two tusks, all done. Great job. See you next time.